All right, Tesla fam. If you're new to the world of Tesla, here's the best Tesla for beginners. 1. Tesla Model 3. The Model 3 is the best choice for first-time Tesla buyers. It's the most affordable option, offering an excellent balance of performance, range, and advanced features. The Standard Range Plus gives you over 260 miles of range on a full charge, and it's available with Tesla's autopilot system to ease your driving experience. With its spacious interior, sleek design, and user-friendly tech, the Model 3 is perfect for newcomers to the EV world. Tesla Model Y. If you prefer an SUV, the Model Y is another great choice. It's a little more expensive than the Model 3, but it offers additional space and versatility. With the ability to seat up to 7 passengers and a range of over 330 miles, the Model Y is ideal for families or anyone looking for more cargo space. Plus, its performance is top-notch with the dual-motor ADAS option, making it a great option for all-around functionality. 3. Tesla Model S. For those who want something a little more luxurious, the Model S is Tesla's premium sedan. While it's a bit pricier than the Model 3 and Model Y, it offers superior range, up to 370 miles, and outstanding performance, especially in the Plaid version, which goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. It's a great choice if you're willing to splurge a bit for additional comfort, tech, and a more refined driving experience. In summary, if you're new to Tesla and want something that's affordable and practical, the Model 3 is the best option. If you need more space and flexibility, go for the Model Y. And if you want to go all in with luxury and performance, the Model S is perfect. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.